Alright, we're going to go out for a little ride. Halftime of the football game. Second time out today. Made some camera changes. Got that camera mounted low. Hopefully that does good. Let's go. See what kind of engine noise that picks up. Alright. Roads are dry. Look at the geese in that yard. Boy, there's a lot of them. They're leaving plenty to pick up, probably. Darn geese. Alright. Nobody coming? Way to go. Okay, 40 miles an hour, or 45 miles an hour indicated, 48 miles an hour indicated, 45 miles an hour actual. Running down Mason Lake Road here again. Got the side view going on the camera. That should be pretty cool. And we're using an ND filter, so haven't used an ND filter before. What kind of shot that's getting down there? We got her mounted pretty low on the crash bar there. Alright, 53 miles an hour indicated, 49 miles an hour actual. Hoping our audio holds in. We're not using that wireless mic anymore. The first time out this afternoon. Didn't work out even with all the changes. I tried. It just didn't work. So, I have to come up with another plan to make this work if I want to switch the audio. I don't know, maybe on the editing program I can drop the video and add the audio. That's what I'm hoping. I don't know, so 55 indicated, 51 actual right now, and hopefully our audio is reasonably good at this speed. Just using the Movo, I think it's an ACM 400 mic mounted inside the helmet. And I also took off the inside of the front of the helmet here and put some electrical tape over the vent holes. So the vent holes on the front of the helmet, they shouldn't be venting very much anyway. So, looking for quality audio. That's what we're always looking for on a motovlog. It's been a little bit of a struggle, to say the least, for me. I was probably barking up the wrong tree on what I was trying to accomplish, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, gonna do left turn here. No one behind us. And one coming in front of us. Third gear. Perfect. 35 miles an hour in here. got some blue sky coming through. So we haven't had any rain today. I don't know, it stopped overnight sometime. Roads are, I don't know, 85% dry, I'd say. And yeah, let's pop her up one more gear there. Be interested to see, I think the crash bar mounted camera down there, we're running that filter on it like I said, and I'm running the rear microphone on that, so hopefully that is going to pick that stuff up. Yeah, KLR, all 42 horsepower, why not? We'll get some lower speed audios here. Yeah, it's kind of wet in here, so let's just take it kind of easy. There we go. Right along the east shore, Mason Lake here. Everybody's tucked in watching the Seahawks. It was halftime when I left. I'll get back, and I kind of have it on. I'm not too crazy about football, but it's okay. Kind of keep an eye on that camera down there on that crash bar. .5-mile-an-hour corner. I'm going to say that's going to be second gear. No problem. Yeah, there we go. Let me run her up a little bit there. I'll be interested to see the footage. Everything on these motovlog videos that I'm doing now, it's all experimentation because I don't know what the best settings are. I'm trying different things, like this ND filter. Hopefully, it's all that makes some pretty neat motion blur, I guess is what they call it. Alright, no one coming that way. There you go, 4,500 RPM, fourth gear, 4 grand, fifth gear, 50 miles an hour, indicated, 52 indicated, 49 actual. It takes the GPS on the phone here a second to catch up, but we're running 53, 52, 53, and 49 actual right now. And it's at 3,500 about RPM. The road's a little wet here, but that's okay. This jacket, it does a good job of stopping the wind. I can't complain. we're just about back to the lake house. And we'll go take a look at our footage. See how it turned out. No one behind us. Gear down for the climb up the driveway. Up we go. Well, there you have it. Another trip. Hope the audio's good. Hope the video's good. Interested on that camera. This one down here. See how that looks. So we'll check it all out. If it's good, we'll put it out there for you guys. Thanks for joining us today. Rusted Junk Garage on the KLR.